Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mac has been slowing down lately, filling up with junk files, or just feeling a bit messy, today's deal might be exactly what you need. We're taking a look at Intego Washing Machine X9, a powerful Mac cleaning tool. And the best part? It currently has a lifetime deal on StackSocial. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just pay once and you're set for life. Intego Washing Machine X9 is an all-in-one Mac cleaner that helps you remove junk, delete duplicates, and organize your Mac automatically. It's made to keep your device running fast, clean, and clutter-free, even if it's an older Mac. Reclaim storage space. It scans your entire Mac to find leftover files, logs, caches, and system junk that slow things down. Duplicate Finder. It quickly spots and removes duplicates, photos, videos, documents, anything taking up unnecessary space. Auto-Organize Washing Machine X9 can automatically sort your messy desktop and downloads into the right folders. Easy one-touch cleanup. You choose what you want it to clean, tap a button, and it does the rest. Custom cleanup rules. Don't want to delete certain file types? No problem. You can customize everything. Simple, clean interface. You can see exactly what's slowing your Mac down before deleting anything. Right now on StackSocial, you can get Intego Washing Machine X9 for $19. One-time lifetime access works on one Mac device, updates included. Redeem within 30 days, available for new users only. This normally costs $40, so you're grabbing it at 50% off. Exclusive StackSocial coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. One payment. Lifetime access. No subscriptions. So if you're looking for an affordable way to speed up your Mac, clean junk, and organize everything with just one click, Intego Washing Machine X9 is a solid one-time purchase. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.